Every year, dealers tell us the #1 reason they send their staff to the NADA show is workshop.
Thanks to NADA for the opportunity today to...
Workshops at NADA provide a way to learn new information and practices from the real experts in every single aspect of the dealership.
I always look forward to speaking with Georgia Munson, NADA instructor, and this year is no exception. Hi, Georgia.
Hi, Maggie.
How are you?
I'm doing so good. It's good to hear from you.
Oh, you as well. Let's jump right in. Tell me a little bit about workshops and why they matter for dealerships.
Oh, sure. Well, every year dealers send their staff to attend the show and the workshops. And I think we've always had topics that are really timely and really pertinent, obviously, to our business, right? Something that a lot of people don't know is that there's incredibly fierce competition for people in my field training to have the opportunity to present at the NADA show. The time and energy that we all put into these just 30 or 45-minute sessions is really immense because we're all competing with one another to be the best of the best. So honestly, there's no question that all of our workshops have something absolutely amazing to offer anyone in our industry.
That's great. And now that we're doing things remotely, how do NADA workshops figure into that?
Oh, well, in a typical year, a dealer would send a few, their higher level staff to the show, right? And they would attend workshops. I have a lot of friends that are in our business that would call me every year and ask me for tips on how they can convince their dealer principal to send them to the show. A dealer can't just lock up the store for a week and send everybody to the show, right? I mean, that would be ideal, but not ideal. So this year, truly, I think that NADA show going virtual is really a silver lining in our playbook. It's a unique opportunity to have all access to all this top-notch education and training, but it's for everyone now.
Yeah, I really love that positive spin on everything. And going virtual really is such a great opportunity for everyone to get involved this year in workshops. And are there workshops that specifically address new ways of doing business that have evolved during the last year?
Yeah, so my focus personally has been on the NADA Professional Series training program. So my courses spotlight high potential or new managers in our industry. Frankly, history has shown us that people are promoted because they were really good at what they used to do, right? Not because they know what they're going to be doing in their new management role. And these people got promoted, they probably had professional training prior to that promotion. And when they get in the manager job, it's on-the-job training. So, that just doesn't work. Our business is more competitive now than it ever has been. And that truly is really saying something in today's environment, right?
Right.
NADA still offers the Academy training program, which is really for more tenured or experienced managers. But we now are also focusing on raising the level of talent and business acumen of managers that are beginning their career in our industry. In just a few years, there's going to be a really strong divide between those managers that have been trained up professionally and those that have not. And those with training will be producing the results of our tenured veterans of today, or even better.
That's right. And what would you like dealers to know about NADA workshops, Georgia?
Well, I think I'd want them to know that workshop education offered at the shows and, well, frankly, throughout the entire year through our education venues, it's a really valuable resource to them. I mean, all of our trainers have worked in their industry. We know this business really intimately, and we know how hard it can be. I mean, really, our goal is to empower their people, our dealership employees, to be the absolute best in the auto retail business. So I guess, Maggie, what I'm really saying is, don't wait to get your people trained up or your people will be left behind.
Great advice. And we're so looking forward to this year's workshops. Thank you so much for speaking with us today, Georgia.
Great seeing you again. Thanks so much, Maggie.
Bye.
Bye.
Be sure to check out all the workshop offerings at the virtual NADA show this year.
Those workshops are happening all day, every day, so don't miss out.